Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to another pick a card reading on my channel. So, today we are going to find out what's stopping you from achieving your goals. Now, we all know if we really want to achieve something in life, we need to set some goals as it gives us a strategic and disciplined approach. But sometimes certain reasons may prevent us or may even stop us from working towards our goals. And the worst thing, we may not even know what's causing it. So, today's pick a card reading is an attempt to find out any such reasons. Now, what you guys need to do is you need to select one pile or even two if you feel so out of these four piles. Okay? This is pile number 1 with moonstone, pile number 2 with garnet. This one is pile number 3 with angelite, and the last one, pile number 4 with bloodstone. If you are feeling confused or if it's difficult for you to choose, then you guys close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths and ask yourself, either in mind or out loud, which is the pile for you. Okay, then open your eyes and the first pile you feel drawn to is the one for you. So now that being said, let's begin with pile number 1. Pile number 1, if you guys chose moonstone, this will be your reading about what's stopping you from achieving your goals. So let's begin by finding out what you got. The cards are 9 of Swords in reverse, Death in reverse, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, the Thinking Woman, Kaffa in reverse, and Medicine Guardian. Well, some of you guys are definitely having a hard time. Also, some of you guys, you can be a Gemini, Scorpio, or a Virgo. Now, with this 9 of Swords in reverse, some of you might be dealing with stress and depression because of the things you had done in the past. You guys might be feeling trapped as the guilt may be eating you. It can be that whatever you did earlier, you didn't have the courage to accept it then. And now your conscience is blaming you and is making you realize that if you want to come out of it, you need to confess, own what you did. You might be under pressure that if the things come out in open, you may not be able to face the world out of shame. But it can be that these are just your assumptions you made because you were afraid of the consequences. So if you guys want your situation to improve, if you want your guilt to get off your chest, you need to take off your hands from your face and face the world. Because how else are you going to know if help is being offered to you, if your eyes are closed, if you are unaware who is standing by, waiting to help you? So you just need to look around and grab the help and support being offered. You guys need to believe this, that you can come out of your misery only if you want to. Okay, the ultimate decision lies with you. Once you decide to do it, you will curse yourself why you didn't do it earlier, because you will realize things weren't as bad as you had thought it to be. So analyze if you really have goals that you think are important for you to achieve in your life. Then you need to get rid of your sufferings. Otherwise, you may reach a point where your goals may no longer matter to you and you may feel your life is wasted. And remember, only you can drag yourself out of your misery if you want to. If you want to do so. So act accordingly. Okay? The Death in reverse suggests that some of you might still be stuck in your past. Even in your present, you might be living in your past. The card suggests that some of you might still be grieving for the things that happened in your earlier days. But you don't realize if you keep doing this, your life may become stagnant. So you need to find out ways to leave your past. Some of you might be trying hard to deal with a sudden and drastic change that happened in your life. It could be a breakup or a stressful issues related to your job. You might not even realize that all your focus have been directed towards your misery, and Instead of finding a solution to get rid of it, you are putting all your energy into grieving. But you need to remind yourself of your long term goals. Okay, time is slipping away, and if you kept reacting to your past, you may never achieve your goals. So, for some of you, it can be that certain things from your past might have resurfaced, making you feel dreadful. The dead might have come alive. You might feel like whatever you do, wherever you go, your past is haunting you. This might have been distracting you from working towards your goals. So, you guys need to find ways to deal with it if you want to stay away from distractions. Okay? With this Nine of Pentacles in reverse, for some of you, a massive downfall, preferably financial, might have occurred in your life because you took some poor or bad decisions and you chose not to consult anyone. And now it's affecting your present that you aren't able to focus on your goals. Irony can be you might have taken such decisions in an act of desperation to achieve success quickly, to earn money quickly. It can be that you might have invested a lot in buying lottery tickets, hoping to gain millions or billions on winning, but it didn't happen like you thought. This may be stressing you now. For some of you, your aim might be to impress someone, to win their attention, and in that effort, you might have spent a lot. The amount might have even surpassed that what you earn, and now because of that, you might be in debt, and this is disturbing you. You might not even socialize anymore, fearing people to know about your failure. So, you guys need to learn from your mistake and keep in mind never to repeat it. For those of you who are working hard with the goal in mind to earn more and more, you guys need to slow down. You need to understand. With that thought, if you manage to earn even billions, it may not be enough for you. You may even lose people close to you in that attempt because all your focus would be on earning, and gradually people that matter to you will walk away from you because you fail to pay attention to them in their needs. So, even if you achieved all what you wanted at the end, you may lose your dear ones. So you need to understand the fact that you cannot depend just on money to be happy. You need to figure out ways to balance this. Okay? Now with this thinking woman, I'm getting that some of you might be a student, and instead of focusing on your studies, which is essential for your growth in order to achieve your goals, symbolized by this staircase, you are engrossed in other matters. There might be something else that has captured your attention so much so that even though you know study is important at this point of time for you, still you are not able to focus on it. It might be that you guys are in love and all your study time is going in thinking about your love interest. But guys, you need to realize you are in a phase of your life from where your life may have major changes. So you need to pay attention to those things more that can lead you towards achieving your goals. See, being in love is great, but spending all your time daydreaming won't help you get far in life. Okay? With this kapha in reverse, what I'm getting is some of you guys are satisfied with achieving smaller goals like the day-to-day ones. You do not want to work hard or you do not look far into the future. You guys are satisfied with what you get today, and this attitude of yours is making you too comfortable. Some of you guys don't even feel like stepping out of your room. You might feel sluggish and lazy all day. Some of you might have indulged yourself in emotional eating, where you might be starting your day with having cornflakes and later ordering pizza throughout the day. So some of you might be even keep thinking about your past, and some of you might even feel there is nothing else left in life to do. But guys, wake up. Look around. You may find a lot of things that you should do. Make plans, set a target, a long-term one, and then act accordingly. Also replace your unhealthy eating habits with the healthier ones. A fit body and sharp mind is the key to achieve goals easily. Okay? With this last card, Medicine Guardian, what I'm getting is some of you guys are working way too hard to achieve your goals to the extent that you are failing to notice and attend to your worsening health conditions. This card has showed up to remind you to take note of your body's condition. It can be that you might be taking a lot of stress, that now it may have taken a toll on your mental health. Some of you might be getting exhausted, but in order to complete your target, you might be ignoring the physical pain. But guys, you need to understand you cannot reach far if you keep walking in worn out shoes. You need to take care of your mental and physical health. Also, some of you might be dealing with a grieving heart. You guys might be in emotional pain. So you need to first decide what's important for you now. Grieving for a relationship that didn't work, crying because someone close hurted you, or focusing on your goals that may open doors to new opportunities and maybe better relationships. So think about it, okay? So pile number 1, that was your reading, guys. Do subscribe if it resonated with you. Also like and share this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss my future uploads. Till then, you guys take care. Bye. Hello pile number 2. If you guys chose Garnet, then this is going to be your reading about what's stopping you from achieving your goals. So the cards you have got are Page of Swords, 3 of Pentacles in reverse, 10 of Wands in reverse, Blossoming Abundance, Agnya, and Shaolin Master. So some of you guys could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, or a Sagittarius. Now with this Page of Swords, some of you guys might be on a route to start a new project, and you might be so super excited about this venture that you might be spending most of your energy on sharing this news with everyone. But you must understand this, that this may compromise your efforts towards achieving your goals, as you may lose your energy jumping around announcing to the world about your project, and may feel drained and tired later when the actual time comes when you are needed to focus on your work. So instead of wasting your energy, channelize it into efforts that is required to achieve your goals. Now some of you might be just planning about your project. Mentally, you might be feeling confident about your ideas, but you might be failing to take the required actions. So instead of just working on your project in your head, you need to do it in reality if you really want to achieve your goals. Okay? With the 3 of Pentacles in reverse, it can be that some of you might be working as a team, and the overall project might be getting affected in a negative way because of lack of teamwork. Every individual in the team might be working against each other in order to prove their superiority over others. And in this environment, you might not be able to work properly, which may ultimately affect your efforts towards reaching your goals. Some of you might be lacking the will and energy to work. Also, some of you might be doubting yourself. You might think you don't have it in you what it takes to work. Now, all these reasons might be slowing you down. So, you guys need to address these reasons if you are serious about your goals. Okay? With the 10 of Wands in reverse, some of you might be feeling exhausted due to taking undue stress while doing your work. You might have overburdened yourself with lots of tasks, which may later lead to a mental or emotional breakdown. You guys need to assign some of your tasks to others, because accept it, it's not possible for you to complete all of it. You need to learn to say no to people who offer you extra work, and you need to get rid of tasks that is not worth your time. Okay? If you fail to do so, no matter how hard you work, you will be getting nowhere. So try to keep your life as simple as you can. Okay? With this blossoming abundance, what I am getting is, some of you who might have worked hard earlier towards achieving your goals, and this card indicates now is the time for you to be rewarded. The universe is blessing you with abundance for all the efforts you might have put earlier. So you guys can expect an increase in your finances. Okay? With this next card, Agnya, what I am getting is, some of you working hard towards your goal might be wondering if your efforts are in the right direction or not. And this card has showed up to assure you that yes, you are on a right path. Also, some of you guys, you need to pay attention to your intuition, to your gut feeling. It can be that you might have not paid attention to your gut feeling earlier. As a result, you might have missed an important opportunity. So, if you don't want to repeat the same, pay attention to what your intention might be hinting you at. If possible, do some third eye chakra meditation. It will definitely help you understand the hunches better. Okay? Now, with this last card, the Shaolin Master, the first thing I'm getting with this Mantis here is some of you guys can expect good luck in your endeavors. Some of you might have got so busy with work towards your goal that you might be no longer listening to your inner self. So, take a step back and analyze what it is that you might be ignoring. Because today you might not notice the consequences it might be causing, but later it may come out as something big. Okay? If it's becoming difficult to focus, then do some meditation. It will provide you some clarity. Some of you guys might be too forceful in your approach towards your goals. This way, you might be losing a lot of energy. So, like this Shaolin Master, you need to approach your goals with subtlety. You need to bring some discipline in your life and try to remain graceful in your actions and choices. Get rid of any feeling that forces you to rush, okay? And try some gentler approach as it will be more rewarding. All in all, the message is you guys need to slow down, okay? So pile number 2, that was your reading, guys. Do subscribe to my channel if that resonated with you. Also like and share this video among friends and family, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any of my future uploads. Till then, you guys take care. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello pile number 3. If you guys chose Angelite, this is going to be your reading about what's stopping you from achieving your goals. So the first card is Justice in reverse, then Page of Pentacles, and the third tarot is the Sun in reverse. Okay, for some of you, major issues are going on, guys, that's coming in your way. Also, some of you guys can be a Libra or Earth signs, that is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The next card is 6th chakra Archangel Metatron, Ojas, and the last card is Summer. Now with this Justice card in reverse, it can be that some of you might have been treated unjustly in a situation where you might be being blamed for things you haven't done, and this must be taking a toll on you, because of which you might be unable to focus on your goals. Well, in that case, you need to first decide what is most important for you for the time being, to focus on your goals or on to reacting to the situation that's blaming you when you aren't at fault. I guess it's difficult to manage both the issues simultaneously, so think wisely. If the blame game matter can be taken care of later, then stop feeling sorry for yourself for the time being and control your emotions and gather all energy to focus on your goals. Okay? Alternatively, some of you might be the culprit, looking out for ways to avoid your karma. See guys, we are humans. We make mistakes, and this is an essential part of our learning process. So, if some of you are yourself responsible for the messy situation you might be in now because of bad choices or wrong choices you made earlier, you guys first need to stop blaming others for your situation. You need to face the consequences no matter how harsh it may be if you really want to move ahead in your life, because lying and avoiding the consequences will take you nowhere. Forget about achieving any goals. You need to learn to be responsible for your deeds if you want to achieve something in life. Remember, whatever you did was your past, and whatever action you will take today will build your future. So act accordingly. Okay? With this Page of Pentacles, some of you guys can be students, and although you are ambitious and focused on your goals, but you guys lack in having clear plan, which is essential for you to achieve your goals. You guys might be having a lot of ideas, but unless you turn those ideas into actions, you aren't going anywhere far. So see to it how you can do that. Okay? With the Sun in reverse, some of you guys might be lacking confidence. It can be that you might have experienced certain setbacks and failures earlier, which might have reduced your enthusiasm and confidence to work towards achieving your goals. And because of this, you guys are sad. But rest assured, as this phase is temporary, you can shift your focus on working hard whenever you want. But for that, you need to shift your attention from negative aspects of your life to something positive. So, some of you guys might be suffering from some illness lately and thus aren't able to do things that's required to reach towards your goal. But guys, rest assured, as you may start to feel normal again in no time. Also, some of you might be dealing with temporary creative blocks and are confused about which path to take or what to do. You guys just need to clear your head. So, take a small break from your usual activities. This would help you shift your focus from things that aren't helping, and gradually you will start feeling confident once again. Okay? The next card is 6th Chakra Archangel Metatron. And what I'm getting is that some of you might be lacking focus. For some of you, it can be that your goals aren't clear yet. And you might keep questioning yourself what you want to do in life. So meditation will help you guys clear your head and regain focus. You guys need to activate your third eye chakra as well. So do some chakra exercises. This will help you envision your future, and then you can plan strategies to prepare yourself to attain your goals. Okay? The next card, Ojas, is a message from your guides that you guys need to take care of your health to attain Ojas. That is the energy that rules our immunity and strength. So in order to achieve a good health so that you can focus on your goals with enthusiasm, you guys need to keep check on your diet. See to it that whatever you eat will not hamper your body. Make healthy lifestyle choices. See, when you are fit and healthy and full of energy, you will work better towards fulfilling your dreams. Okay? With this last card, Summer, you are being advised to take little time out of your busy schedule and go out on holidays. You guys need to take a break for a while. Your guides are encouraging you to enjoy so that when you return later back to your work, you will be full of energy and will be able to focus well on your goals with a clearer head. Okay? So pile number 3, that was your reading, guys. I hope this reading helps. So please subscribe to my channel if that resonated with you. Also like and share this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss my future uploads. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Hello pile number 4. If you guys choose Bloodstone, this will be your reading about what's stopping you from achieving your goals. The first card is 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Then 7 of Wands in reverse. 7 of Pentacles. Yin Yang in reverse, Pratyahar in reverse, and Snake. So some of you guys could be a Taurus or a Leo. Now with this 5 of Pentacles in reverse, some of you who might have been going through tough times, this card is a good sign that all your hardships may come to end soon. For some of you facing financial issues earlier, it may get over soon. Also, some of you who might have been ill for a long time, this card indicates recovery. You may start to feel better and may gradually heal from your illness. So overall, 5 of Pentacles in reverse is a positive one. Okay. Now with the 7 of Wands in reverse, some of you might have undertaken a lot of work and now you might be unable to deal with those responsibilities. This might be overwhelming you to the point that you are questioning your abilities, whether it's in you or not, to take up the responsibilities. Some of you might even have surrendered already due to lack of courage. You might have accepted your defeat. This might be because people around you might be questioning your intentions and decisions. They might be criticizing the choices you have made earlier that pushed you into this situation, and you might not be able to tolerate those people around you being judgmental about you. This might be hurting your ego and making you feel you are good for nothing. And even after being hurt, you might not be able to take a proper stand against them because you might be fearing this may lead to some major conflicts. But you guys need to take a stand, because if you never had it in you, you would have never taken so many responsibilities ever in the first place. It's just a phase and a matter of time. So keep calm and look for ways to handle the situation. Okay? With the Seven of Pentacles, one thing is clear. Some of you guys are well focused on your goals and you are utilizing your time and money in productive things. Yet sometimes you might be getting frustrated when results doesn't come out the way you might have expected it to. So you guys need to review your work in that case. It can be that your work might be 99% good, but still something as a percent might be lacking. For some of you, it can be that however hard work, time or energy you might be putting, the results might be getting delayed, making you feel frustrated. But rest assured, all your hard work will soon pay off. All you need is to be a little patient for a while. Okay? With the yin yang in reverse, some of you guys might be lacking in a more logical approach towards your goals. You might be taking decisions from the emotional point of view, but logic is what needed more. For some of you, your yin and yang balance might have been disrupted, and this might have led to health issues or other disturbances that might be hampering your focus. So if that is so, you guys need to address it if you seriously want to achieve your goals. Okay? With Pratyahar in reverse, some of you might be addicted to feel-good stuffs, as in drugs or coffee, social media, etc. So you guys need to retreat and withdraw yourself from such things, because of it you might be losing a lot of work hours on things that aren't helping you to achieve your goals. And if you are at all serious about your goals, then you need to distract yourself away from such distractions. Okay? With this snake card, what I'm getting is, some of you might be failing at work that could lead you towards your goals, and you might be wondering, why is it so? For some of you, opportunities might be slipping away from you and you aren't able to do anything about it. You guys might be working hard, but that's not enough, and you need to understand this. See, you cannot reach far on a boat with a hole in it, no matter how harder or faster you row. You will need to plug that hole, you will need to repair it, and when you do it, you will reach your destination without any problem. Similarly, give a thought. It might be that your older ways or ideas might not be helping you. So like the snake, you guys need to shed your old skin and adopt new habits and new strategies to achieve your goals. Okay? So pile number 4, that was your reading, guys. Do subscribe to my channel if that resonated with you. Also like and share this video. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss my future uploads. I will see you guys in my next videos. Till then, take care. Bye.